Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we got some news on the Postmates and Uber Eats whole scenario, because if you guys don't know, Uber Eats bought Postmates out almost a year ago or so for like $1 billion, or a little bit more than that or so. Anyway, so what happens and what this means for you as a delivery driver, if you are a Postmates driver, I've been saying it for a while, you better get on a different platform, because they're basically going to start just merging it all into one company. And if you're a Postmates driver, the unfortunate truth is there's a million Postmates drivers. Everyone got hired by Postmates. They had significantly less requirements than like Uber Eats and DoorDash and Grubhub. So Postmates hired more people than anyone else. So if you're a Postmates driver, which pretty much most of the delivery drivers are, because Postmates came out first, you know, if you were one of the original drivers, you were on Postmates. So basically what this means is you should definitely get onto another platform as soon as possible. I've been saying it for a while. And on top of that, guys, you should be diversifying your incomes. Try not to only rely on delivery, because this just shows you within a period of it's only been like 6 to 8 months or so that we've known that that Uber Eats was buying Postmates. You've had about 6 to 8 months to kind of get onto a different platform. You probably have a few more months, because they've already started to slowly deactivate Postmates in certain areas. Drivers in certain areas, especially the ones where Postmates isn't doing so well. So like, for example, let's say you live in, random city in Georgia, and Postmates isn't doing so well because they just don't normally do that well. Then they're going to slowly dissolve Postmates, and it's just going to turn into Uber Eats. And they've already started sending out emails to people in those cities where they're going to slowly start dissolving Postmates and turning into Uber Eats to get onto the platforms of Uber Eats. So basically, they want you as a Postmates driver to get on Uber Eats, which means you're going to have to go through the whole background check, all that, yada yada, do all that all over again, and hopefully get hired by Uber Eats before it's too late. So, I mean, this is something I've been telling you guys for a while, that Postmates sucks, and I wonder what percentage me talking about Postmates sucking so bad has, because some of these videos have a few 100,000 views. Like, I have a Postmates sucks video that's got so many views. Anyways, it's just been a crappy platform from the very beginning. And I've been saying it, if you're on Postmates, you should get onto a different platform. As soon as I went from Postmates to DoorDash, I made so much more money. My income increased almost double or triple, I would say. And it's not like it increased in total. I just made that $70 that I like to make every single day a lot quicker, you know? So that being said, you guys really should try to get onto different ways of making money too, because this just shows you that it can all disappear in a few months, you know, and you don't want to be sitting there scrambling with the hot potato in your hand trying to get rid of it. And, you know, it's a horrible analogy. Anyways, so basically, diversify your income. Try to maybe get onto a rideshare platform. I would highly suggest getting onto a rideshare platform, or Instacart, or Roadie, or Amazon Flex, or I'm just kidding. One of those platforms. If you want to continue as being a gig worker, you got to be on all the gigs. The more gigs, the better. You know, the more money you're going to make in total, the more opportunity you have. You just want to diversify your incomes. Personally, I have so many different ways of making money, and right now I'm actually in Reno, Nevada. So right now we're doing a circus show. It's called Viva Le Cirque. So Viva, V-I-V-A, Le is L-E, not L-A. A lot of people say L-A. Viva Le Cirque, C-I-R-Q-U-E. If you guys want to see my show, it's at the Grand Sierra Resort. I think tickets are only they're pretty damn cheap, $5, I want to say. Something ridiculously cheap. Or if you just contact me, I can probably get you free tickets. So if you're in the Reno or Tahoe area and you want to come see an awesome circus show, let me know. We'll be here until June 20th or so. So definitely come check it out. Also, again, I have a footwear company. It's called Off Axis Acrobatics. We make footwear for acrobats, for MMA fighters, for people who like hiking, any sort of outdoor stuff. Shoes are great for you. You can get yourself 30% off using the discount code OffAxisTanner, and they're great shoes. I wear them every single day. So go check out my footwear company if you guys haven't yet. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of be the Paul Revere and let you guys know, like, hey, this is one of your last chances. If you're only on Postmates, I would leave this video right now and go sign up on DoorDash. In fact, I don't do this often, but I'm going to put my referral link in the description. So use my referral link and sign up on DoorDash if you guys haven't yet. It'll probably only be there for a few weeks because I don't think DoorDash allows me to keep that in my info. But anyways, yeah, use that link down below. Sign up for DoorDash. I think you get like a few $100s if you complete 240 deliveries within the first few, I think 2 months or so. Anyways, that being said, Postmates sucks. Get onto a different platform and go buy some off-axis shoes. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.